Hi, welcome back to the Reload Bench. Today's unboxing is going to be a bit of a surprise for me. I ordered this from Graf Sons on September 3rd. It's September 21st and it just showed up. That's almost 3 weeks. I can't remember what I ordered. I haven't ordered anything from Graf Sons in a few years. Not because of any issues with the company, I just haven't needed anything. But they are a company that I would recommend to somebody who's looking to buy reload supplies online. They sell more than reload supplies, but that's something that I've had fairly good results with them as far as ordering. Now, Graf Sons had the same disclaimers everybody else has got on their main page about COVID causing shortages and delays, and I can understand some of that. We've had all kinds of different situations over the past, 6 months? And I'm in manufacturing, I understand that. But I was also in shipping and receiving in the past. And I'm not sure that 3 weeks to ship out something that you've got in stock is really acceptable. So I'm really not sure what the situation is over there. And I wasn't in a hurry for this stuff, whatever it is. But it's just the whole fact that 3 weeks, I mean, I'm not really too sure about that. Another thing that I wasn't really too pleased with was that they didn't charge my credit card for 2 weeks after I made the purchase. And I would rather there be a charge at the point of sale. That way I know I'm getting the product. So for 2 weeks, I didn't even know if they were going to ship it. They didn't even send me some sort of email to say, hey, we're working on it or anything else like that. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what's in there, and hopefully I'll be pleasantly surprised. All right, let's get the bucket knife out. Let's go ahead. The package come in fairly intact. There's no damage to it at all. It's packed really tight. Cardboard feels, really kind of thick here. It came in U.S. mail. Packing slip up in the top. We've got the gratuitous packaging material. All right, here we go. 50 brand new unprimed 6.5 Carcano cases from Privy Partisan. All right, let's see here. We've got ballistic silver tip from Nosler, 30 caliber, 308 diameter, 150 grain. This is for reloads for my M1 Garand. I'll just put that over there with the open box. Order it before you run out, right? Let's see what else is here in all this packaging. All right, we've got 268 diameter, 6.5 millimeter full metal jacket boat tail, 139 grain. So this would be for the 6.5 Carcano as well. I believe the 6.5 Creedmoor is 264 diameter. And then what's in this box here? I don't remember. Let's see what we got. Packed nice and tight. A lot of gratuitous packaging in here. All of that for 2 empty ammo boxes. Item inside, it says. Item inside. Okay. A post-it note and masking tape. Okay, guys. That's great. Item inside. They really want to make sure it didn't come out. These are Barry's Bullets cases. They're probably made by MTM like everybody else, and they just put their logo on there. And this is an ejector spring for an AR-15 bolt. So, all of that. They spent more time packaging this to make it where, I mean, these bags are awful thick. I don't think they're going to burst open. I have had boxes of bullets burst open before in shipping, in transit, but they packed this thing awful tight. The box was maybe a little bit bigger than what it really needed to be. Now, putting this inside of this kind of helped protect it from getting crushed or anything, but I just think they spent a lot more time packaging it and a lot less time, you know, processing my credit card and worried about getting things shipped out. So I'm a little bit disappointed with Graf Sons. It doesn't mean I'm not going to order from them in the future, but I just kind of wanted to show you what to expect if you place a small order with them, how long you're going to have to wait, and what's going on right now. Maybe after all of this is over and done with, I'll place another small order with them and just see how long it takes, see if they charge my credit card right away, and see if they go to a lot of extra lengths with unnecessary packaging. Thanks for watching.